Hello students, welcome back. Let's do chapter 3, Playing with Numbers, exercise 3. Page number 50, question 1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. So we have question A, 24. Now what are factors? When two or more natural numbers multiply to give a certain answer, that answer is called the product. Now let me take an example. Now if I say 2 into 3, 2 threes are 6. Here 2 and 3 multiplied together to give us 6. Now 6 is called the product and 2 and 3 are called the factors of 6. Okay, so two numbers, natural numbers that multiply together to give the product are called the factors. So here we have a question 24. What are all the numbers that multiply to give us 24? So let's see. Let's begin with 1. So that is 1 into what will give us 24? 1 into 24 is 24, isn't it? So we finished 1. Let's try 2. 2 into what is 24? 2 12s are 24. So here 2 and 12 are the factors. Now let's go to 3. 3 into what will give us 24? 3 8s are 24. So here the factors are 3 and 8. Now we finished 1, 2 and 3. Let's go to the next number, that is 4. 4 into what will give us 24? 4 sixes are 24. So here 4 and 6 are the factors. Now we finished 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 5. Now will 5 into anything give us 24? No. 5 into nothing will give us 24. So let's take it away. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try 6. 6 into 4 is 24. So 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. But look at the previous one. It's already there. 6 and 4 are already there. So you don't have to repeat. So when you reach factors which are already there, then you know that you have completed all your factors. So that means we need not have this. We can take it off. So what are all the factors of 24 now? 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. These are all the factors of 24. So let's write that down in order. So factors of 24, we'll start with the smallest. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wrote down these like this from small onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can go back like this. 6, 8, 12 and 24. So let me write that. 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are all the factors of 24. Next one is 15. What are all the factors of 15? So let's try that starting with 1. Always start with 1. 1 into 15 is 15. Now 2 into anything. Will that give you 15? No. 2 into nothing will give us 15. So leave out 2. Now after 2 we go to 3. 3 into what will give us 15? 3 5s are 15. So what are the factors here? 3 and 5 are the factors. So we finished 1, 2 does not give, then we went to 3, now 4. Will 4 into anything give us 15? No. What's the next one? 5. 5 into what? 5 threes are 15, but we already have 5 and 3. That means we don't have to repeat it and we've come to the end of the factors. So what are all the factors of 15? 1 and 15, 3 and 5. So let's write the factors in order. The factors of 15 are, starting with the smallest one, 1, 3, and then let me go backwards, 5 and 15. So that will be 5 and 15. So we've got them in order from small to big. 21. What are all the factors of 21? Starting with 1. 1 into 21 is 21. So now, did you notice something, children? 1 is a factor of every number. We are starting with 1, isn't it? So 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, so now we finished with 1. Let's take 2. What about 2? Now, will 2 into anything give us 21? No. So let's take off 2. Now go on to the next one, 3. Will 3 into anything give us 21? Yes. 3 sevens are 21. So here 3 and 7 are the factors. So we finished 3. Let's go to 4. Will 4 into anything give us 21? No. Go to 5. 5 into anything? No. 6? No. 7? Yes. 7 threes are 21, but it's already there. So we don't have to repeat, and we have come to the end of all the factors of 21. So let's write down the factors of 21 in order. So that will be 1, 3. So I've taken from here 1 and 3. Now I'll go back 7 and 21. So 7 and 21. So the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Next one we have 27. So again remember to start with 1 because 1 is a factor of every number. 1 into 27 is 27. Now think of the numbers that will give you 27. 2, no. 3, yes. 3 nines are 27. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. None of these will give us 27. 9, yes, 9 threes are 27. But as you can see, 9 and 3 are already there. So that's it. So what are all the factors of 27? 1 and 27, 3 and 9. So let's write that down in order. So that will be 1, 3, 9 and 27. So the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Next one is 12. So let's start with 1. So 1 into 12 is 12. Then let's go to 2. 2 into what is 12? 2 sixes are 12. Yes. Now let's try 3. 3 into what is 12? 3 fours are 12. The next one is 4. 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12. But as you can see, 4 and 3 are already there. So we can take off this. You don't have to repeat it. So now, what are all the factors of 12? 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So let's write that down in order. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are all the factors of 12. 20. Let's write the factors of 20. 1 into 20 is 20. Now let's go to 2. 2 into what is 20? 2 tens are 20. 3, no. 4, yes. 4 fives are 20. Then go to the next one, 5. 5 fours are 20, but as you can see, it's already there. So what are all the factors of 20? 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. So let's write that out now. So factors of 20 are in order 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20. Next one is 18. So again, let's begin with 1. 1 into 18 is 18. Then let's go to 2. 2 nines are 18. Then let's go to 3. 3 sixes are 18. Now what about 4? No. What about 5? No. 6? Yes. 6 threes are 18, but 6 and 3 are already there. So what are the factors of 18? 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So when we write it in order, what do we get? We get 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are all the factors of 18. Next one is 23. 23, let's begin with 21. 1 into 23 is 23. Now nothing else will give us 23. So 23 is actually a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 23. So let's write that down. The factors of 23 are just 1 and 23. That's it. No more factors for 23. So it's a prime number because all prime numbers have only two factors. That will be 1 and itself. Next we have 36. So let's begin starting with 1. 1 into 36 is 36. Now what about 2? 2 into 18 is 36. 3 into 12 is 36. Now let's go to 4. 4 nines are 36. Let's go to 5. No, nothing. Let's go to 6. 6 sixes are 36. So 36 has many factors, isn't it? What are they? 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6. 6 and 6, you don't have to repeat 6, you can write it just once. So let's write down all the factors of 36 in order. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So what did I do? I took it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now we'll go the other way up. 6 is already there, so you don't have to write. Now you must write 9, 12, 18, and 36. So let's write it down here. So after 6, you can write 9. Then we have 12. Then we have 18. And then 36. So these are all the factors of 36. Next one, write the first 5 multiples of 5. So now we're talking about multiples. So what are multiples? Multiples are actually tables. Okay, now let me take, say, 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, and so on. Now these numbers that you get after multiplying the product 2, 4, 6, and 8, these are all called multiples of 2. Okay, so when you multiply 2 with all the natural numbers, the answer that you get is called a multiple of 2. So here we are asked to write the first 5 multiples of 5. So that will be 5 into 1. Okay, we start with the first 5 means you include 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. So this is 4 multiples, 1 more, 5 fives are 25. You have to write 5 multiples and the answers that you've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are all multiples of 5 and they are the first 5 multiples. So let's write down the answer here. The first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So multiples are these numbers that you got 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 when you multiply 5 with the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one we have 8. The first 5 multiples of 8 means again the tables of 8. 8 ones are 8, then 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. So here we have the first 5 multiples of 8. These are the multiples 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. So let's write the answer there. Answer is the first 5 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. These are the first 5 multiples of 8. Now 9. Let's write the first 5 multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. We have to write 5, isn't it? So one more, 9 fives are 45. So what are the first 5 multiples of 9? 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. So we'll write that. So that is 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45 are the first 5 multiples of 9. Now question 3 is match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. Now that we have done multiples and factors, there is one thing you must remember, children. Multiples are all greater than the number. It's equal to that number or greater than the number. And factors are all equal to the number but lesser than that number. Now for example, let me take 6. What are all the factors of 6? What are the numbers that will multiply to give you 6? 1 into 6 is 6, isn't it? So 1 into 6 is 6. Then we have 2 threes are 6. So these are all the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now can you see that they are all smaller than 6 or equal to 6? So all factors will be smaller than that number or equal to the number. At the same time, let me take the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So and so on, there are many more. Here can you see the multiples are all greater than 6 or equal to 6 itself. So multiples are all bigger numbers, whereas factors are all smaller than that number or equal to that number. So keep that in mind when we match the items in column 1 and column 2. Now 35, what will 35 be? Is it a multiple of 8? No. Is it a multiple of 7? Yes, 7 fives are 35. So it's a multiple, so it will be greater. So that is the answer there. 35. So first one is option B. Now next one, 15. Is 15 a multiple of 8? No. Is it a multiple of 70? Remember, multiples will be greater than the number and 15 is smaller. So is it a factor of 30? That means it should be smaller than 30. Will 15 into anything give you 30? Yes. 15 into 2 is 30, isn't it? Let's multiply. 15 twos are 30. That means 15 and 2 are factors of 30. So here what does the question say? 15. So that's a factor of 30. So the option D. Okay, so now this is option D. Next one, 16. So let's try again the ones that have not been used. B and D are over. Now let's go to the next ones. Now A, multiple of 8. Remember, multiples will be greater than that number. And this number is 16. Is 16 a multiple of 8? Yes, 8 twos are 16. So that's the answer. Then we have 20. So what is left? We'll check that. So C is left. 20, is it a multiple of 70? No. If it's a multiple, it should be greater than 70. Then here factor of 50. Now 50, the factors are numbers that multiply to give you 50. Can I multiply 20 with any number to give me 50? No, I cannot. Now, so the only thing left is factor of 20. Is 20 a factor of 20? Now let's write down the factors of 20, we will know. So what and all multiply to give you 20? 1 into 20 is 20. So can you see it's already there? So 20 is a factor of 20 as you can see. So that is the answer, option F. The last one, 25. And what is left? Is it a multiple of 70? No, it should be greater than 70. Next one is 50. Is it a factor of 50? Yes, because 25 into 2 will give you 50 and both are factors of 50. So 25 here is the factor of 50. So we have matched all the columns. You'll have to write out your options very clearly. Next one, question 4. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So multiples are just tables. So let's write it down. 9 ones are 9. So we have to write all multiples up to 100. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. So what are all the multiples so far that we have? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. We have to go up to 100. Our answer here should go up to 100. So let's continue. 9 into 6, let me write it here. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. And 9 into 11. 9 into 11 is 99. So what are all the multiples of 9? All these numbers and all these numbers here. So let's write down all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So 9, 18, 27. Only the answers I'm writing. These are called the multiples. 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. So we've got all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So with this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.